Welcome to Stunning Suganesh. Today's topic is the universe and the solar system. The universe is a vast expanse of space. Most astronomers believe that the universe came into existence after the Big Bang explosion. Hierarchy of the universe. The universe consists of billions of galaxies, stars, planets, comets, asteroids, meteoroids, and natural satellites. The study of the universe is called cosmology. What we see in the sky is the part of a galaxy. Milky Way is a huge cluster of stars which are held together by gravitational force. Celestial body is a naturally occurring object such as sun, moon, stars, planets, asteroids, comets, meteoroids, and all those objects shining in the bright sky is called celestial body. Let's see the clear explanation of these celestial bodies. Planets do not have their own heat and light. They lit by the light of the stars. The Sun. Sun is head of solar system. Sun is self-luminous object. It gives light on its own. The Sun is the main source of light energy and also heat energy. Sun is made up of hot gases like hydrogen and helium. There are 8 planets in our solar system. The Sun is also a star. All planets revolve around the Sun. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. The first 4 planets near to the Sun are called terrestrial planets. The next 4 planets are called as Jovian planets. Inner planets are very close to the Sun and made up of rocks. Outer planets are very far from the Sun and made up of gases and liquids. Mercury. The distance between Mercury and Sun is 58 million kilometers. Mercury takes 59 days to complete one spin on its axis. Mercury takes 88 days to revolve around the Sun. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. Mercury is very hot in day and cold in night. Mercury is an waterless and airless planet. Mercury has no natural satellites. Venus is the hottest planet. The distance between Venus and Sun is 108 million kilometers. Venus takes 243 days to complete one spin on its axis. Venus takes 255 days to revolve around the Sun. Venus is called Earth's twin as it's almost same size as the Earth. Venus is the brighter natural object in the night sky after the Moon. Venus has no natural satellites. Earth. The distance between Earth and Sun is 150 million kilometers. Earth takes 1 day to complete one spin on its axis. Earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to revolve around the Sun. Earth is called blue planet because 3/4 of Earth is covered by water. Earth is the only planet with life, presence of land, air and water. Earth has one natural satellite, that is Moon. Mars. The distance between Mars and Sun is 228 million kilometers. Mars takes 1 day to complete one spin on its axis. Mars takes 687 days to revolve around the Sun. Mars is called dead planets due to the rusty rocks and mountains. Mars is the most widely searched planet for life. Mars has two natural satellites. They are Phobos and Deimos. Jupiter. The distance between Jupiter and Sun is 778 million kilometers. Jupiter takes 9 hours 56 minutes to complete one spin on its axis. Jupiter takes 11 years and 11 months to revolve around the Sun. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. Jupiter is the gas giant planet made up of hydrogen and helium. Jupiter has 53 natural satellites. Saturn. The distance between Saturn and Sun is 1427 million kilometers. Saturn takes 10 hours 40 minutes to complete one spin on its axis. Saturn takes 29 years and 5 months to revolve around the Sun. Saturn is the ring planet. It has huge number of rings. Saturn rings are mostly made up of ice, rocks and dust particles. Saturn has 62 natural satellites. Uranus. The distance between Uranus and Sun is 2869 million kilometers. Uranus takes 17 hours and 14 minutes to complete one spin on its axis. Uranus takes 84 years to revolve around the Sun. Uranus rotates east to west, opposite direction to all other planets like Venus. Uranus is blue and green in color. Uranus has 27 natural satellites. Neptune. The distance between Neptune and the Sun is 4,496 million kilometers. Neptune takes 16 hours and 7 minutes to complete one spin on its axis. Neptune takes 164 years to revolve around the Sun. Neptune is the coldest planet. There are strong winds in this planet. Neptune has 13 natural satellites. Dwarf planet. Eris, Pluto, Haumea, Makemake, Ceres. The dwarf planets are small celestial bodies found beyond the planets Neptune. The Moon. The distance between Moon and the Earth is 384,400 kilometers. Moon takes 27 days and 8 hours to revolve around the Earth. Moon has no atmosphere. Asteroids. Asteroids are small solid objects that move around the Sun. They are found as a belt between Mars and Jupiter. Meteoroids. Meteoroids is a small piece of rock which move around the Sun. It is a shooting star. Comets. Comet is a celestial object with a head and a tail. The head consists of solid particles held together by ice, and tail consists of gases. These are all celestial bodies. Subscribe to Stunning Suganesh. You will never miss any new video from my channel.